This is a very good question because this cooperation just started, and as we announced today that we will do this closer cooperation, and we also have done an equity participation at Delta. So that means we invested with this step in our capabilities for Industry 4.0 and also for the digital twin. We will start with, let me say, some projects in the automotive and aerospace industries, and then we will work on this partnership together also in the future. So let's start it first and then we will see what will happen.